Hello, my name's Linda and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and my blog is Stamping by the Beach, and I'm also on Facebook if you'd like to have a look and get a few ideas from items I've made. Now, I need to apologise to my subscribers because I've been not making any videos for about 5 weeks, and the reason is my camera, which was very old, broke, and I had to get a new camera, which after I ordered I didn't realise, but it was coming from China, so it took quite a while to get here, and then there's been a few teething problems getting it to work, so hopefully this video is going to go okay. So I'm actually making a card today with using the Bubble Over stamp set and the framelit, so it's a bundle. If you buy it as a bundle you get 10% off. I haven't made this card yet, so we're winging it a little bit. I've sort of got an idea, so hopefully it's going to work. And I'm actually making a DL size today, so something new, so new for me. So this is just a piece of A4 cardstock, and I've cut it at 8 inches, so it's 8 inches this way, and then sorry, is it 18? No, it's 8 inches this way, and then I've scored it at 4 and folded it, and so there we go. That is going to be our base, and then I have some Bermuda Bay cardstock, which is at 8 inches by 3 3/4, and that's just going to go on there. And then I have a white piece that's going to layer on top, and that is 7 3/4 by 3 3/8, and 3/8 is just under half an inch. So there we go. And also in preparation I've die cut lots of bottles and labels in various colours from the Bottles and Bubbles framelits, and I'm going to make them up. So probably there's going to be a bit of fast forwarding on this bit while I stick them together. Okay, so I decided to turn the camera off just to conserve my battery while I was making these, so I have just randomly, or not randomly, I've come to some decision on where I would like all my labels, and I've stuck them all down. And I just needed to mention that this die came from the Magical Day stamp set and dies, so that's another bundle. So let me just put these to one side, and we're going to do some stamping. So I have my piece of white cardstock, and I just lost something. Here we go, just looking for my mat so I can do some stamping. And I'm going to stamp some bubbles. Let me just turn my heater off. Okay, so this is the bubble stamp, and what colour was I going to use? I think I'm going to use Lemon Lime Twist, and I'm going to stamp bubbles all over the background of my white cardstock, just randomly. If you turn your paper, then hopefully the bubbles don't all look the same. And I forgot to mention, I think I forgot to mention anyway, that I'm doing this card for a blog hop that I've joined, and it's called Creators, and it is a group of Stampin' Up demonstrators from all over the world, and we are given a theme every month, and this month it's birthdays, and then we can make whatever we like. We can make cards, or we can make boxes or gift bags, and that is our theme. So the blog hop works. You go onto my blog and you'll see my project, and hopefully I might have this video attached to it if I can figure out how to do that as well. And then there will be a small button that says next, and you'll be able to click on that and go to the next person and look at their project, and go to the next person, look at their project, and so on. And it's a really great way of getting lots of inspiration quickly. Okay, so there's that background done. Oh, can't get me ink pad closed, it's because it's a new one. There we go. And now I'm going to start sticking this together. Let's bring this in. I'm going to Get my glue. So don't forget, at the moment it is still Celebration, and this will last until the end of March. And Celebration means that if you spend £45, you get to choose a free item from the Celebration catalogues, which you can see online as well. Okay, let's stick this one on. Go, and now I'm going to start arranging my bottles. I'm going to have 2 big ones at the end, and then the little ones in the middle. Okay, yeah, I think I'm happy with that, so let's stick these down. I love this bundle. I do use it quite a lot. Obviously, if you use different colours, you're going to get a different effect. You could use pinks to make it a bit girly, pinks and gold perhaps. I'm not going to stick the middle one down yet. I'm going to just do my other bottles first. I should have started from the outside really. Let's just move this up a bit. Now I have my new camera. I can actually see what I'm doing. I can see what you can see, but I keep forgetting to look because I'm so used to not being able to see what's going on. Oh, I wonder if that's too late. I should have put one of these ones over there. Never mind. I really shouldn't have had 2 Bermuda Bays next to each other. Never mind. Okay, and so I'm going to put this. I've put no, I haven't. I'm going to put a dimension on the back of this. In the middle, and I'm going to put that on top of my bottle. And then on the back of my bottle I'm going to put one of these wobblies, action wobblies, which I bought. I think I got them from Amazon. So you just take the sticky off the back, and these are great fun. I've bought a pack of 12 and I've used 1 so far, which I'll show you after I've managed to get this together. I keep sticking it to myself. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to stick this on the back of my bottle, and then I'm going to stick it to the front of my card. So even though I've only made 1, I have found that they can be quite tricky to get straight. So you sort of have to get your wobbly straight rather than your bottle. And there you go. Look at that. Can you see that wobbly? Isn't that great? I love that. Okay, so just to finish the card, I've got a piece of Whisper White, which I've cut to fit in the middle, and I'm going to use the May Your Day Bubble Over with Happiness, and I'm going to use I think Dapper Denim. Sorry, all my inks are in front of me. I need to get them out ready. There we go. And then I'm going to stick this inside. You can see where I've made lots of mistakes there. But that is what's good about this paper. You can just turn it over and carry on. So as I said at the beginning, these are DL size cards, which are the size that you'd get your bank statement in. And I have actually got some envelopes on order, but I haven't received them yet. And there you go. What a great card. And also I have made another one. I can just about get it in. Let's see if I can make the camera a bit wider. There we go. Now I've done it the other way. I haven't put the middle in yet. And then I made another one for my friend's daughter's birthday, which is coming up soon, and that's the first one that I did with the Wobble. And I put the straws in, and as you can see, it's a little bit crooked. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Bye.